What if humans could live to be 250 years old? It sounds like something out of a movie. But some Japanese scientists are suggesting that aging isn't natural at all. It might be fixable. This idea could change everything we know about life and death. For centuries, humans have accepted aging as an unavoidable fact of life. We're born, we grow old, we die. But what if that's wrong? What if aging is more like a disease, something we can treat? A growing number of scientists now believe they can not only slow down the aging process, but potentially stop it, or even reverse it. This isn't just about adding more years to your life, it's about adding more life to your years. So, what actually causes aging? Let's break it down simply. Think of your body as a complex machine, made of trillions of tiny parts called cells. Over time, these cells get damaged. Your DNA, the instruction manual for your cells, starts to get typos and breaks. Your cell's power plants, the mitochondria, start to lose energy, and some old cells refuse to die, turning into what scientists call zombie cells. They just hang around, releasing toxic stuff that harms the healthy cells nearby. As this damage accumulates, your organs get weaker, you become more susceptible to diseases, and eventually, the system fails. That's aging in a nutshell. But here's where it gets exciting. A team of Japanese researchers has combined 3 powerful technologies to fight this process head-on. First is something called epigenetic reprogramming. Imagine your cell has a biological clock that tells it how old it is. This technology essentially resets that clock, making the cell biologically younger. It's like winding back time at a cellular level. Second is zombie cell removal. The treatment seeks out and destroys those toxic, old cells that are causing chaos, clearing the way for healthy cells to thrive and repair your tissues. Finally, there's telomere extension. At the end of your chromosomes are protective caps called telomeres. Every time a cell divides, these caps get shorter, and when they get too short, the cell stops dividing and ages. This technology works to rebuild and extend those telomeres, protecting your cells and allowing them to function like new for much longer. When they tested this combined therapy in animal studies, the results were absolutely unbelievable. Mice treated with this technology lived to 2-3 times longer than normal mice. But it wasn't just about a longer lifespan. Their organs, like the heart and kidneys, stayed youthful and healthy. They showed far fewer signs of age-related diseases and maintained high energy levels well into their extended lives. They didn't just live longer, they stayed young. It's a profound difference. Now, think about what this could mean for humanity. Scientists believe that if this approach works in humans, it could one day help prevent some of our most feared diseases. We're talking about conditions like Alzheimer's, heart disease, muscle loss, and even certain types of cancer. These are the very illnesses that define old age for so many. The idea of preventing them before they even start is no longer science fiction. It's becoming a tangible scientific goal. Of course, this raises some huge questions. This technology won't be simple or cheap, at least not at first. So, who gets access to it? Would it only be for the wealthy? And what would our world look like if people started living for centuries? How would society, the economy, and our planet cope with a population that doesn't age in the same way? These are serious ethical and practical challenges we'd need to face. We may never reach the age of 150 in our lifetime, but one thing has become crystal clear: aging is no longer an untouchable mystery. We are entering an era where we can actively engineer our own longevity. The age of design biology has begun. If you want to stay updated on the science that could change human life forever, make sure you subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.